Does anyone want to delete their, I don't know, dating apps? Like, let's be specific, your boo dating app. Yeah, you can do it, and I will show you exactly how to do it in case you didn't know that. Let me jump straight into this guide. I will open up straight up the boo app. This tutorial will be very straightforward because it's not complicated at all to locate the deletion button of your boo account. So in the top left corner, you'll locate 3 lines. That's the main menu of boo app, and if you scroll down, you can locate settings. Let's hit on those, and you can locate here privacy, dark mode, languages, and so on. We don't care about them. You can locate account. Let's press on this one, okay, and here you can locate the logout, pause account if that's what you're looking for, or of course delete your account. Let's press on that. Are you sure you want to delete account? Yes. If you scroll down, you can locate again a delete button. Let's press on this. Need a break. They ask you to pause it in case that's what you're looking for. But in my case, I want just to delete that. Select a reason, not fun. However, choose what reason you want right here. Have you explored Boo universe yet? Don't care, man. Don't care. Permanently delete your account. All you have to do is log back within 30 days. Yeah, this is similar to Instagram and Facebook deletion. As an example, if I want to cancel the termination of this account, I will just have to log in again into my account in the following 30 days. If I will not log in into my account for the next 30 days, that means that my boo account will be deleted forever and we can be located again by any users. And I am logged out. Just close this app. We can delete that. Remove app. Yes, delete app. And as I will not log in again, my account will be deleted after 30 days. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them straight in the comment section. Please have a wonderful day.